Peace, Islam. I just got charged up. I mean, I ain't not charged up. Back in the day when somebody got charged up, that meant like somebody wanted to fight. But when I'm saying it now, I just got charged up. I mean, I just got amped up. You know what I'm saying? Talking to a Moor. You know, showing love, because that's what Moors do. Because Moor means love. But anyway, I read my National Declaration of Nationality earlier today, and it didn't even occur to me that today was a full moon. I mean, I knew it, but it didn't occur to me that obviously that's why I'm doing it, and I'm going to explain. Okay, so the sun is in Taurus and the moon is in Scorpio, right? So Taurus is what you have. It's who you are. It's what it like. You know how you be like my car. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know how a person cares so much about their possessions. You know, that's a earth energy, like Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But Taurus is the first one. Taurus literally means I have. Says I have. The saying for Taurus is I have. So it's all about the things that you've acquired, the things that and it's not necessarily physical things. It's also who you are as a person, who you think you are. Okay, Aries is who you stand out to be, right? But Taurus is who is empowering that in the back of your mind. Taurus is the bull. You know I said you be bullheaded. Tauruses are stubborn. Okay, like I don't hear that shit. Like, you know, like, so your Aries mind is I gotta be the leader in the front, and then the Taurus is in the back. You like, yeah, they got you fucked up. They can't mess with you. Okay, so anyway. Scorpio is the secret energy, the secretive energy. Now, I done spoke a lot on. I always say you're Moor. I'm always gonna tell anybody that's Negro, Black, or colored they Moors. You know, I'm not. You know, we always say it don't matter what we call ourselves, as long as we. Yeah, okay, but it does matter, doesn't it? Because it's the colorable law that's screwing us over because of the colorable titles that we have adopted. Okay, so that's the problem in a sense. So we can't just say what we want to be. I mean, you know what I'm saying? If we just sitting down talking in a room, we can say whatever the hell we want to say. I'm a Texan, you a New Yorkian, or what the hell ever, if we want to go there, right? But what I'm saying is, you know, that's not how it works in the corporate world, and that's all that is out here. It's public, it's corporate. Anytime you're in the public, you're dealing with other people. Anytime you're dealing with other people, you're acting in commerce. Okay, so that's commerce is regulated by the corporation, United States corporation. Okay, so that's Scorpio energy. What I'm telling you right now, the hidden reasoning why we are, and it's not just black folks, because this applies to any United States citizen. Any United States citizen, it doesn't matter, even if they claim to be white too. They just may get a pass because, you know, the magistrate, so-called judge, is probably maybe their cousin or some shit. I know they cousins or something. You understand what I'm saying? It's just like a who you know type of thing. They don't automatically get a pass because they pale skin. They'll fuck them over too. They do it all the time. They do it all the time, man. Like, they do it all the time. I mean, I wouldn't say they get it more than us just because of the agenda, because we're the Aboriginal Native Americans. So the agenda was put on us in the first place, but now they've applied it to everybody since 1933. And you see all this what I'm talking about right now? Scorpio energy, full moon. You see how I keep talking? I ain't finished talking. Taurus. I'm talking about what I know, what I have. All I have is me, is my knowledge. And, you know, I mean, what is it? A man in his word. All I have in this world, Scarface. Anyway, so you know, that's why I just put my proclamation. I've been meaning to do that video. I've been meaning to do it. I be procrastinating. You know, I got a job. I feed my family. You know, Moorish nationality didn't get me unlimited access to my what is it? Social Security number, account, blah blah blah, endless money, and you're worth $1 billion. I mean, you know, it's some truth into all that stuff, but you think they're gonna give you a goddamn $1 million check or something? Man, come on. Whatever. So anyway, Taurus, Scorpio energy. You know, I'm gonna try to get back on my videos. You know, if I remember. I mean, life, right? You know, people got life, and honestly, I haven't been doing videos because I've been studying. I'm trying to go forward. You know, I need to go forward. I just need to go forward. Like, You know, like I'm through arguing with people on the internet about who we are. You know, I'm through chewing. I showed books. I done showed you why you Moors beyond Islam. Okay, if you got such a big problem with the Muslim faith, a Muslim faith, or Islamic culture, which is a Moorish culture, ancient culture of science. Okay, but anyway, I, self, law, and master. Like, how can you have a problem with mastering self? Anyone who has a problem with mastering self has a problem. They need other people to rule over them. That's why they want to continue to tell you black and you a United States citizen. Because they don't want you mastering yourself. Because if you master yourself, then you don't need them. And you ain't got to watch these videos because you already know it's a full moon. So you know how that Scorpio energy do you. Because my Saturn's a Scorpio. So so Saturn is your discipliner. So Saturn got me letting y'all know what it is. This is what it is. Like, we can keep saying all this other stuff all we want. The Bill Cosby thing, I mean, he was part of the Boule family. You know, they don't care. If you, the Boule are traitors to their people. Alright? Cut and dry. It is what it is. He was part of the Boule. Okay? I mean, so, it's wrong. Don't get me wrong. Harvey Weinstein, Donald Trump. Man, come on now. So, what? I mean, but we understand this is what they do to our people. We have to stop acting like, why this ain't. We know why, people. We know why. They hate us. They hate us. And they want us to keep us as their slaves. Black essentially equals slave. It just does. I showed you that in the video. You know, it does. United States citizen means you're subject to the United States corporation. United States is a corporation. It's a corporation. A corporation can only regulate corporations. That's why your name is in all capitals. That's why you put a proclamation on the record, and then you can say paperwork don't matter. Well, doesn't matter to you. What matters to you? What matters to you? Okay? It matters to me. It matters to me that I know who I am. I know what I am. I know why I'm here. I know what I got to do in my life now, and I know what I'm finna do. And that's why I know I ain't been doing no goddamn videos, because I'm working. So, peace and love, man. Islam to all the Moors, declared and non-declared, all the Negro black Americans who don't know they Moors, to all the people, all the Mexicans, his so-called Hispanic means his Spanish. Y'all, Moriscos, we all family. The pale skin nations, Anglo-Saxons, peace to you too. I don't hate nobody. I ain't got time for that shit, man. Well, y'all serious? I work with those people every day. How the hell am I hate them? I wouldn't have a job, you retarded motherfucker. These people stupid come on with these comments on my videos, man. God, anyway. But whatever, man. Like, peace. I ain't full moon, so I'm extra chatty. Take it easy.